How to verify Binance account. So let's get started. You can access the identity verification process on Binance by simply navigating to account, then tap on identification or by clicking verify or get verified from the home page banners. Now, your current verification level, which determines your account's trading limit, can be checked on this page. To increase your limit, complete the respective identity verification level. Now, log in and navigate to identification. Then alternatively, click complete now on the pop-up window option available there. Now start verification process. Simply click on get verified option available there. Now choose your country of residence. Ensure it matches your ID documents. Now enter your personal information and click continue option available there. Ensure all information matches your ID documents as changes cannot be made once confirmed. Now you can take a photo with your device's camera or verify using the Binance app. Now choose an option and click continue option available there. Now click continue to proceed and follow the instructions to take photos of your documents. Ensure the full ID documents are clearly visible in the photos. Now follow the instructions to take a video of yourself and enable a camera access on a device. Do not wear hats, glasses or use filters and ensure sufficient lighting. Then Binance will review your data promptly. Once verified, you will receive an email notification. If verification is unsuccessful, you may attempt the process multiple times. If denied several times, wait 24 hours and try again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.